Come test drive the 2020 Outlander. A versatile crossover with power to spare, Outlander boasts an upgraded level of interior comfort and advanced technological features to give you control over every element of your drive. With super all-wheel control and a 5-star frontal and side impact crash test rating, peace of mind comes standard. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Owners of a certified pre-owned Mitsubishi vehicle get the same powertrain limited warranty coverage as the original owner. Even better, there is zero deductible for all covered repairs. And just to make sure they have you covered, they provide 24-hour roadside assistance at no cost, while the certified warranty is in effect. Check out your local Mitsubishi dealer today to find out all the details.